Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Faith Nwoko. And today I'm about to save you from a huge YouTube mistake we all make. Okay. If you've been uploading your videos and setting them to public immediately, you might just be hurting your videos. So stay with me because I will show you why choosing unlisted is the smarter move. So don't go anywhere. Let's dive in. One of the reasons why you need to set your videos on unlisted first is because the YouTube algorithm will need time to process your video before it goes up. Okay, so what do I mean? When you make your videos, you upload them, sometimes you add music, and these people have policies, right? They have their copyright policies and all of that. They have rules that you have to follow as a YouTuber. So let's assume that your video has a particular sound that is copyrighted. Okay, a particular sound that is copyrighted, and you upload this video and set it to public immediately. This video goes up and is doing very well, and you wake up one morning to check for that video and you see that YouTube has taken it down. You'll be like, after all my effort. So that is one of the reasons why putting your videos on unlisted first, for YouTube to take their time and process your video and tell you that okay, this video is okay to be viewed, is very important. Another reason why you have to set your videos on unlisted first before taking it to public is so that you personally, you the owner of the video, you can actually check for errors. Imagine uploading a video that the audio is bad, or uploading a video that is blur. Nobody wants to sit down and watch a blur video. Nobody wants to sit down and is not hearing what you're saying. Okay, so you yourself, you check for errors to see if this video is okay before you put it out there for the world to see. So let me take you straight right into my phone screen and show you how to unlist your videos before setting it down to public.
Okay, so you click on the plus sign. That's where you click whenever you want to upload a video. Then you select the video you want to upload. You click on next, and then you add your title. Say how to upload on YouTube. Okay, I'm just doing this for the sake of this video. Alright, you can use a catchy title. Then you add your description. We'll be skipping that for this video. I just want to show you how to unlist your videos. Make sure your description is catchy. Then you go down, you see visibility. You click on visibility. If it's in public, you set it down to unlisted. Then you go back and you add your location, add to playlist if you have any, altered content, allow video remixing, add paid promotion. Then if you have a thumbnail, you click on this pencil right here to add a thumbnail to your video. Then you click on next. No, this video is not made for kids. You upload your video. So let's wait a bit for the video to upload. So you can see processing has started. So the YouTube now has started processing the video. So it's now processed 100%. Alright. Let's wait a bit. So this video is ready to be watched. Alright. You can see here that the video is ready to be watched. So let's head over to YouTube Studio and set it in public. Okay, you make the proper adjustments. Now the video is ready to be watched. You can click on the video to watch it, check for errors. If there is no error, then you head over to your YouTube Studio. So let's head over to YouTube Studio. Unlisted is not public yet, so you're just the only one seeing your video. So you head over to your YouTube Studio, you click on content. Here you have the video, you click on it. Then you click on this arrow at the top Click on the arrow and then add description, and just check if there's any changes you would like to make. You make your changes here and then you click on public. Once you've clicked on public, you go back and save. Make sure you save. If you click on public and you don't save, your video remains in unlisted. So after you've published your video, make sure you save it, and there you have it. Your video is now public. There's no restriction. You can see your video is now public. There's no restrictions. The quality is SD and HD. Your video is okay. Alright, so that's it.
If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification so you don't miss out on more game-changing YouTube tips. See you in the next video. Bye for now.